Sometimes when you are writing a script, you need to access certain components from the scene to be able to use them. For example, playing an audio source by script, moving objects, applying velocity to a rigid body, or even access to another script that you yourself create in order to call a function or read a variable from it. There are several ways to find those components. The method we are about to see is useful when the component or script you want to find is unique in the hierarchy. That is, only one GameObject has that component or that script assigned. For example, here, I have this GameObject with an audio source, this other object with a rigid body, and this other object with an example script that I previously created and assigned to it. In this case, there aren't any other GameObjects with those components, nor the example script. Now, let's create a new script and an empty GameObject to assign it, otherwise the script won't be executed, no matter how hard you try. Inside the script, let's define a couple variables, an audio source variable, a rigid body variable, and an example script variable. Why example script? Because it's the name of the class of the script I created. In your case, you will define your own scripts. So here you could basically define a variable with the name of any of your scripts. Let's quickly play this to see that the variables in the inspector remain empty. So now let's find them by code. In start, I'm gonna make my variables equal to the execution of the findObjectOfType function indicating the proper type. You could also pass true as parameter, and that would make Unity also check on non-active GameObjects. When you run this, the variables are properly assigned with the components or scripts we are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.